So you to process the file, you double click the macro Excel. So these tools uh, we can generate the vibration measurement data. So the name called MyVibTools vibration. So it's for data calculation and the reporting tools. So first thing first, you need to select the folder for the Rayon VM-56. So you go into this folder. So uh, this folder having a 14.1 megabyte uh, data. So it's about a day. So you double click into this folder, then you select. So it will show you ready to import the following files. So inside content of two files. So these two files total will have about 24 hours of data. So then we just continue. So the two file loaded, then you go into the second page or sheets called configuration sheets, and then we can do the process the data over there. So this is the sheet. So this is the information that for the data, so you can select here. Let's say we select 100 second, and you can select second, minutes, and hours. So if you put a second, then we remain a second. So then we can pick a day and a time. So when you click the pick start time, so it will show you the information. So you just follow. So day one, this is a day. Day one, then the day one we start with uh what time? Let's say valid time range. So we start with this time. We can put as 22 40 00. Okay, then you pick the end time. So the second day, this is the second day, from 6 to 7, the second days. Then you can pick the time. So this time is about 6, 16, 16, and we put 00, just 4 o'clock. Okay, enter. It will appear at the column here. Then after you key in the information for the start time and the end time, you can process the data. So process the data, it will show you start time, end time, how many rows you're going to analyze. Then the interval is 10 seconds, 100 seconds. Then how many blocks that generate, and the processing we have for both for the single period and also the 100-second interval times. So when you press yes, so it will take about few seconds, about 10 to 20 seconds, because the file is huge. Then it will generate uh, the 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 calculated data. Okay, so about 12 to 15 seconds, so it generated process data completed. So these are the information. So when you press, automatically this sheet, it will appear with 100-second summary. So this is still remain the raw data, and this is a header. So you can print out this header as you want for the information and the single period vibration data calculation. So all this is a calculation, yeah, and the time. Then we have acceleration. So this acceleration is average of RMS value. Displacement is a peak displacement, average, and the velocity PPV is a max, and the VDV is an average. It's not an average, actually it's accumulation. So 100 second, this is the data we have. Total 100-second interval, we are able to generate 645 data. So all these data come with all the information. Then we can go into the PPV. As you can see, these are the result for the PPV information. Then PBS, okay, VDV, x-axis, y-axis, and the z-axis. Okay, and the acceleration, XYZ axis, displacement, okay, XYZ axis. These are the additional tools for checking the VDV and the data informations. This we copy from Rayon, the header. So you can print out the report easily. Of course, you can just save it as non-macro Excel workbook. Then you can name it. Test 1, 2, 3. Put it in desktop. Save. Yes. Okay. Yep. Then you can go into this, and this is your report file. So simple and straightforward. You can email, print out, or even share with your friend for the vibration report. So that's it. Thank you so much.